this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of the yellow border in OBS Studio. So there's basically two different solutions. The first one is to open up OBS Studio, right click on Display Capture and click on Properties. Next to the capture method, click on the drop down arrow and we're going to change this to DXGI Desktop Duplication, and then you can go and press OK. Now if that doesn't work, what you'll need to do is open up the settings application on your computer. In the left hand navigation, select Privacy and Security, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Screenshot Borders. And you want to turn on Screenshot Border Settings Access, and also let apps turn off the screenshot border. Make sure this is turned on and enabled. You can then come back over to the previous window, scroll right down to the bottom and select Screenshots and Apps, and also make sure Screenshots Access is turned on and enabled, and make sure Let Apps Take Screenshots of Various Windows and Display is turned on and enabled. And once you've done that, that should have now fixed the yellow border issue. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.